Back in the garage on this Thursday night, working on Sally. Got the red paint, majority of it sanded off of the quarter panel, as you can see. I believe there's like 5 or 6 little door dings that I've found that need to be puttied just a little bit. Need to finish sanding the primer, the Elpo primer off of it. Didn't find anything wrong for other than the paint was 38 years old and looked like crap. Thought it might have been painted. This was the only 2 panels, this quarter and this door were the only 2 panels that I thought might have been painted, but evidently they just sat close to the weather and the weather just took a toll on the paint. You know, I guess I had a few boo-boos and skint places and stuff by the time I was 38 years old. Have the quarter panel in primer, fix the little door dings. There was, I think, 6 of them. I got busy and I didn't take any pictures of it. You can see the places in it where it was bare metal. The primer laid down pretty slick. Do a little bit of blocking on it tomorrow and reprime it. The bumper, I didn't get to do much work to it today. I took the headlights out of it and did some sanding on it. It's sitting outside. Didn't want to get any overspray stuff on it. So we're moving right along. Have the bumper ready to block and reprime. Got a couple of little chips in it I found after I primed it that have to be fixed. Got the place fixed where the tag bracket was. Like I say, it needs blocked and reprimed. Got the quarter panel blocked and reprimed. It'll get one more blocking and repriming when the other side of the car is done. Plan on taking the door off the first of the week and work on the underneath side of it with the seam sealer and stuff. So when it gets ready to paint, all that'll be cured out real good. The bumper, I took the header panel out of it to get these dividers out. I've still got to sand them and primer them. I've got new pieces that go in the side marker light openings, so we have to take all that apart to drill out all them big old rivets to get that piece out. I'm going to repaint it. I've already put it down in the basement, so it's not in the video, but I have pictures of it. It'll be in the slideshow when Johnny gets my slideshows made.